Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use your school app. First, you'll want to download the app from your device's App Store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play. Once installed, simply log in using your student ID and the password provided by your school. This will take you to your personalized dashboard, offering quick access to all the essential functions you'll need throughout your academic day. It's designed for ease of use. Now, let's dive into your academic progress. The app allows you to easily view your current grades for every course you're taking, providing a clear overview of your performance. You can also keep track of all upcoming assignment due dates and project deadlines, ensuring you never miss an important submission. For many classes, you can even submit your digital assignments directly within the app, saving you time and effort. Staying connected is crucial, and your school app makes it simple. You can securely message your teachers and even collaborate with classmates on group projects, fostering better communication. The app also delivers important school announcements and event updates directly to your device, keeping you informed. Plus, you'll find a comprehensive library of learning resources, including study guides and supplementary materials, all at your fingertips. Finally, let's talk about personalizing your app experience. You have the flexibility to adjust your notification preferences, ensuring you only receive the alerts most relevant to you, whether it's for grades or announcements. You can also easily update your personal profile information whenever necessary. Should you encounter any issues or have questions, the app provides direct access to technical support and a helpful section of frequently asked questions. It's all about making the app work for you.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.